Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're going to do a deep review of Pets Best Insurance. I'll be talking you through everything you need to know about this platform, what the platform is used for, its main features, pricing, the pros and cons, and at the end of the review, you'll be able to make an informed decision as to whether this is a good fit or not. Pets Best Insurance is one of the leading providers of pet health insurance in the US, offering comprehensive coverage tailored to the needs of both dogs and cats. Launched in 2005, Pets Best aims to ease the financial burden of veterinary expenses by providing policies that cover everything from accidents and illnesses to routine wellness care. What makes Pets Best stand out is its dedication to giving pet owners peace of mind through flexible, customizable plans and easy-to-manage claims. They also offer a range of resources, including a 24/7 emergency vet helpline, which can be incredibly helpful for urgent pet health concerns. Additionally, the platform prides itself on fast claims processing, with most reimbursements completed within a few days. Pets Best focuses on creating solutions for the unpredictable nature of pet health. Veterinary treatments, whether routine or emergency, can be costly, and Pets Best's mission is to make high-quality care more affordable, allowing pet owners to focus on their pet's well-being without the stress of hefty medical bills. With its range of plan options, pet parents can select the coverage that best suits their needs and budgets, ensuring that they are prepared for any situation from minor illnesses to major surgeries. Now let us talk about the main features. Let's dive into some of the key features of Pets Best Insurance. Accidents and illness coverage. Pets Best covers various health issues from minor ailments like infections to major conditions such as diabetes, hereditary disorders, and surgeries due to accidents. Routine care. For those who want extra protection, Pets Best offers optional wellness coverage, helping with routine veterinary visits, vaccinations, and preventive care. Customizable plans. Pet owners can choose between 3 reimbursement levels, which is 70%, 80%, or 90% based on the plan that fits their budget best. 24/7 emergency vet helpline. This service gives customers access to expert advice on pet health emergencies at any time. Easy claims process. Pets Best makes filing claims simple through its mobile app, where pet owners can submit claims, track their status, and manage their policy. How about the pricing of Pets Best? Pets Best insurance plans are competitively priced, and premiums vary depending on the level of coverage, the type of pet, and its age. Basic plans start as low as $10 per month for accident-only coverage, while more comprehensive plans, including illness coverage and wellness add-ons, can range higher. Discounts may apply for multiple pets. Pets Best offers a wide variety of coverage choices, so pet owners can select a plan that is perfect for their pets and their budget. You can get a customized quote to see pets insurance pricing for your pet. Here's another information you should keep in mind. Periodically, pet insurance costs can also increase based on the overall cost of veterinary care, as new technologies are utilized by veterinarians to treat dogs and cats. Because cat and dog insurance prices are based on the risk associated with a pet needing a medical procedure, new and advanced treatment options can cause premiums to rise over time. How about the pros and cons of using Pets Best Insurance? Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about the pros. Comprehensive coverage. Covers a wide range of conditions and treatments. Customizable plans. Pet owners can choose their deductible and reimbursement rates. Fast reimbursements. Claims are processed quickly within days typically. 24/7 pet helpline. Access to veterinary advice any time of the day. Direct vet pay option. Pets Best can pay vets directly, reducing out-of-pocket costs for pet owners. How about the cons? Here are some drawbacks. Pre-existing conditions not covered. As with most pet insurers, Pets Best does not cover pre-existing conditions. Routine care add-on is extra. Wellness coverage is not included in basic plans and must be purchased separately. Age-based restrictions. Premiums increase for older pets, which can make coverage expensive. Pets Best Insurance is a strong choice for pet owners looking for customizable, comprehensive coverage. Its flexible pricing and range of services such as the 24/7 pet helpline and direct vet pay make it appealing for those who want both accidents and illness coverage as well as routine care. However, the lack of coverage for pre-existing conditions and the additional cost for routine care might be a drawback for some. If you're willing to explore other alternatives, you may try Healthy Paws, Embrace Pet Insurance, or Trupanion. Ultimately, Pets Best Insurance is a great fit for pet owners who want peace of mind with fast claims and accessible support. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.